What Happened to You? By Oprah Winfrey and Bruce Perry. From the moment of birth, every individual embarks on a journey to make sense of the world around them. This process is deeply rooted in the brain's ability to catalogue and interpret sensory input. As infants, we constantly seek to understand the myriad of stimuli we encounter, from sounds and sights to touch and smells. These sensory experiences form the foundation of our personal codebook that aids in interpreting the world. For instance, while one child may interpret eye contact as a sign of care and interest, another might perceive it as a precursor to a reprimand. This unique worldview is shaped by our life's experiences, and it evolves as we grow, influenced by our family, community, culture, and media exposure. The brain's innate ability to associate and remember these experiences is pivotal in shaping our behaviors, reactions, and biases. Understanding this process is crucial, as it underscores the importance of asking what happened to you to comprehend present behaviors and emotions. The human body is a marvel of balance, with the heart being a prime example. It tirelessly pumps blood, ensuring the delivery of essential nutrients to every cell, tissue, and organ. Beyond its physical function, the heart's rhythm also plays a role in regulating our emotional energy. A consistent, steady heartbeat can induce calmness, while a rapid one can trigger panic. This balance is not just limited to the heart. It extends to the brain's ability to interpret and respond to sensory inputs. Whether it's feeling thirsty, hungry, or sensing danger, the brain processes this information and prompts appropriate responses. This constant feedback loop ensures that we remain in a state of equilibrium, both physically and emotionally. Trauma is a multifaceted experience that varies significantly from one individual to another. While some traumas are the result of extreme events, others stem from prolonged exposure to distressing situations. A poignant example is a 3-year-old boy who witnessed his mother's murder during a home invasion. Such traumatic experiences can lead to profound behavioral and emotional changes, often misunderstood by society. For instance, a child's hypervigilance, resulting from trauma, might be misdiagnosed as ADHD. Similarly, resistance and defiance can be labeled as oppositional defiant disorder. These misunderstandings highlight the importance of adopting a trauma-informed approach, shifting the question from "what is wrong with you?" to "what happened to you?" Defining trauma is challenging due to its subjective nature. The 3 E's definition encapsulates trauma as an event, experience, and its effects. However, the term's usage remains varied, with some considering events like missing a graduation ceremony during a pandemic as traumatic. Life experiences, especially traumatic ones, leave an indelible mark on our psyche. Oprah shares a personal account of her inexplicable fear of being alone at night, even in seemingly secure environments. This fear became so overwhelming that she once felt compelled to leave her home and check into a neighboring hotel for safety. Such reactions often stem from past traumas that the brain categorizes and recalls in response to certain triggers, even if they occurred decades apart. The brain's interpretation of these experiences can lead to miscommunication within itself, causing reactions that might seem irrational to the individual. For instance, the aftermath of a tragic school shooting in Chicago saw parents demanding heightened security measures. However, the school principal resisted, believing that such measures would convey a message of insecurity to the children. Reading about this incident evoked a strong emotional response in Oprah, highlighting the interconnectedness of past traumas and present reactions. The belief that children are inherently resilient and will get over traumatic events is a common misconception. While witnessing the aftermath of various traumatic events, from school shootings to acts of terrorism, many individuals express relief by emphasizing children's resilience. However, this belief often serves as an emotional shield, allowing individuals to distance themselves from the discomfort and helplessness they feel in the face of trauma. True resilience is not merely an innate trait, but is cultivated through quality, loving relationships and supportive environments. Oprah and Dr. Perry discuss the concept of post-traumatic wisdom, emphasizing that adversity and trauma can lead to profound personal growth and understanding. This wisdom is not about forgetting or minimizing the trauma, but about reflecting, learning, and growing from the experience. Both adversity and trauma can contribute to a broader sense of empathy and wisdom. However, the journey to post-traumatic wisdom varies for each individual, and while some may find strength and growth in their experiences, others may continue to grapple with the pain.